normal reaction. When a body is resting or sliding over the surface, the force applied by the surface perpendicular to itself on the body is known as normal reaction. Case 1. Body is on a horizontal plane. Consider a body of mass m is placed on a horizontal surface. In this case, normal reaction R is equal to weight of a body. W is equal to mg. Case 2. Body is on an inclined plane. In this case, normal reaction R is equal to component of weight mg cos theta. R is equal to mg cos theta. Angle of repose. The minimum angle at which the body is ready to slide down the inclined plane is called angle of repose. It is denoted by alpha. Explanation. Consider a body of mass m is placed on an inclined plane, makes an angle theta with the horizontal. The weight of a body mg acts vertically downwards. The weight can be resolved into two components. The horizontal component mg cos theta is balanced by normal reaction R. The vertical component mg sin theta is acting in opposite direction to fs. If theta is equal to alpha, angle of repose, then fs is equal to mg sin alpha. Equation 1. R is equal to mg cos alpha. Equation 2. Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get tan alpha is equal to mu s. Alpha is equal to tan inverse mu s. This is the expression for angle of repose. Laws of static friction. 1. The static friction depends on the nature of the surfaces between two bodies in contact. 2. Static friction acts tangential to the surface and acts opposite the direction of motion of applied force. 3. Friction is independent of the contact area. The area of contact does not significantly affect the frictional force. 4. Static friction is greater than kinetic friction. It requires more force to start moving an object at rest than to keep it moving. 5. The static friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction between two surfaces in contact. F is proportional to R, coefficient of friction. It is defined as the ratio of frictional force to the normal reaction. Coefficient of friction mu is equal to F by R. Classification of friction. Coefficient of friction is classified into three types. Coefficient of static friction mu s, coefficient of kinetic friction mu k, coefficient of rolling friction mu r. Coefficient of static friction mu s. It is ratio of static frictional force to the normal reaction. Mu s is equal to Fs by r. Coefficient of kinetic friction mu k. It is ratio of kinetic frictional force to the normal reaction. Mu k is equal to Fk by r. Coefficient of rolling friction mu r. It is ratio of rolling frictional force to the normal reaction. Mu r is equal to Fr by r. Methods to reduce friction or minimize friction. Smooth surfaces. Friction is reduced when surfaces are smooth, but making them too smooth can increase friction. Lubricants. Fill the gaps between surfaces with lubricants like oil, grease, or graphite to reduce friction. Ball bearings. Mount rotating machines on ball bearings to reduce friction between rolled objects and the surface. Streamlining. Give objects a special shape to reduce the area of contact and drag. For example, cars, boats, ships, and airplanes are streamlined to reduce friction while traveling through air or water. Thanks for watching Pathfinder 6. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.